Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links, but more importantly, how you can promote multiple affiliate links with one system. Now, I'm going to show you how to promote multiple programs such as Legendary Marketer, the Bluehost affiliate program, the ClickFunnels affiliate program, the Get Response 3-Day Challenge, so many affiliate programs and how you can promote them in just one shot. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time affiliate marketer in just 9 months. I want to show you exactly how I was able to do it. So if you want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. So subscribe to the channel, comment down below, guys, hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. Now, before I show you how to promote multiple affiliate programs, I want you guys to understand this thing. I became a six-figure affiliate marketer by promoting one main product, okay? So I need you guys to figure out what that main product is gonna be. Now, that doesn't mean you can't promote multiple products. All that means is you wanna have that one core product that you're gonna send your customers to. For example, when I was becoming an affiliate marketer, when I was trying to leave my 9-to-5 job, my main core product was Legendary Marketer. Now, on the back end, when people got into my email sequence, that's when I promoted things like TubeBuddy or Bluehost or ClickFunnels, right? Those are all tools needed to build a business. So that's what I mean when I say pick one program on the front end. Now, I'm gonna give you guys something that is gonna promote all these programs with one funnel and one link, but I want you guys to understand that concept first before we dive too much into the weeds. Now, as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I teach to build your email list, and that's how you build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now, to build an email list, you either have to have a good lead magnet, meaning you're trading an email for something of value, right? For example, an ebook or a free course or something for free so that someone can give you their email address. Now, I've been doing this a long time and I've coached and mentored thousands of people, and a lot of people get stuck here, right? They don't have a lead magnet. They don't have a way to get people on their list, right? They don't have a way to build a brand because they have no authority. Well, I want to help you guys out, and I've actually come out with something that no one's ever come out with, and I think it's really gonna make a big difference. Now, I'm not only gonna give this to you, but I'm also gonna allow you to build your business and your brand, because at the end of the day, I don't wanna just give you a system so you can build your business, right? I wanna show you how to do it, but I also wanna give you the tools to get up and running as fast as possible. So I recently released a brand new white label funnel and ebook that's gonna help you promote over 12 affiliate programs in just one system. Now, guys, I don't like these systems, right? There's a ton of systems out there that you can buy about systems. I've never been about plug and play. But at the end of the day, I know people need something to get started. I'm all about the skills. I'm all about teaching you the skills that you need to build a long-term successful business, okay? There's so many plug and play businesses out there. That's not what this is, okay? I'm gonna show you that it is plug and play at the beginning, but I also wanna teach you the skills to become a six-figure affiliate marketer. Let me dive deep into my computer and let me show you exactly how this works and how you can implement this today to promote multiple affiliate programs. Alrighty guys, so as I mentioned, I give a lead magnet or something for free in exchange for an email, right? This is the best way to build your email list. Now, this is a brand new book that I just wrote. I actually spent a lot of time on this, okay? This is basically my brand new book, the Leave Your Soul Sucking 9-to-5 Blueprint, okay? The 7 steps on how to become a super affiliate. Now, with this book, there's a ton of content on how to become a super affiliate. I basically put my $1,000 course in this book, okay? Everything is in this book on how to become a super affiliate, okay? Now, as you can see, there's a ton of things in this book, okay? There's a ton of value, but more importantly, there's affiliate links in here, okay? Now, the cool thing, guys, is I'm promoting things like ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, Bluehost, TubeBuddy. These are some of the main programs out there. I wanna show you exactly how you can tap into this and how you can have this up and running as soon as today. Now, let me just show you my ClickFunnels account and why this is so lucrative, okay? Because I am able to build out over 30 plus income streams, and that's helped me build right now a $70,000 per month business, okay? It's changed my life completely. Now, This is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can see in the last 30 days, over $4,000, and this is all reoccurring passive income, okay? If I go to the TubeBuddy dashboard, you can see another reoccurring passive income, okay? Same thing with GetResponse. These are all softwares that people buy and then people have to continue paying, right? They're tools, so they need these. I personally use all these tools. This is what I use to build my business. So naturally, I promote them because I use them, right? Now, with this book, okay, I'm literally promoting all these products because obviously that's what I use, right? Here's another one here. This is Bluehost. This is how you build a website here. Here's another source of passive income, okay? Legendary marketers in here. There's the ClickFunnels ebooks, okay? There's so many things that I promote with this one book, okay? Now, what I want to show you is how you can literally copy and paste this into your business, but more importantly, I want to show you guys the skills so you can build a six-figure business. Let me show you exactly how this works. Now, before I show you the actual funnel, I want you guys to understand the core fundamentals of what I'm doing. I'm trading an email address for this ebook, okay? I'm giving them this valuable book. That way I can have an email address. But more importantly, guys, is I'm really building a lot of trust with people, right? Because I don't want to just give them some random ebook. There's so many ebooks out there. This is an actual ebook that I spent a lot of time writing so people can actually get results. I believe with all my heart that people can get results just with this ebook. Now, the goal here is they get into my value ladder, right? They get into my email list, and then I can sell them high ticket products, high ticket courses. Obviously, I have so many affiliate programs I promote that's gonna help people build their business. But this is how you start off on the right foot. It's so important that you build your email list the right way. Now, let me show you the funnel. And then of course, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get access to this and how you can plug and play into your funnel as soon as today. Alrighty guys, so this is the first page of the funnel, okay? Very, very simple. All I'm doing here is saying, hey, here's this free ebook. Click this link here and get into my email list, right? We're gonna send you the ebook. Now, on the next page, it says you're all set. Check your email for the free ebook. So they have to actually go check in their email to see if they got the book. Now, this is where it becomes interesting, right? While they're waiting for that book to hit their email address, I'm saying, hey, well, do you want to know how I left my 9-to-5 job, right? And then it's like, yes, show me how. And then right here is then where I have a bridge page, okay? This is where I'm saying, hey, my name is Jonathan Montoya. I want to show you exactly how I left my 9-to-5 job by going to this program here, okay? Now, obviously, I'm an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, so you can see that I'm promoting the Legendary Marketer Challenge with this. But a lot of people are using this same funnel to promote the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge or even Legendary Marketer, okay? Me as an affiliate, I would use this to promote another product, right? Now guys, here's the thing, okay? I wanna show you exactly how you can implement this as soon as today. So I'm actually logged into the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge members area, and as you can see, I actually added this as a bonus, okay? Right here, guys. I added this as a bonus for my students to use, okay? So what happens is I give them the actual funnel, okay? It says import the 3-Day Challenge ebook funnel now, okay? So you literally get the ebook and you get the ability to change the links, okay? I literally give you the book so you can download it and change the links, okay? So it's really, really cool because I give you the book here, okay? This is the book, and I literally let you change the links to your affiliate links. And not only do you get to change one link, you get to change all the links: ClickFunnels, Bluehost, Legendary Marketer, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, Freedom Breakthrough, TubeBuddy. You literally get all this, okay guys? Now, if you're already a 3-Day Business Breakthrough member, already added it to your members area. If you're not a 3-Day Business Breakthrough member, guys, it's only $7 at the moment of making this video. Obviously, that's gonna go up because I'm adding so much more to this program, guys. And I'm just trying to do everything I can in my power to help you guys grow your online business. I hope you guys enjoy that. That's the secret, guys, is building a powerful brand and building a powerful email list of people that know, like, and trust you. If you can do that, you can build such a powerful business, guys. I've been able to go from $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month, $20,000 a month, and we're on track to hit our first $100,000 month this month. Now guys, I've built my email list from scratch and I want to show you the exact way I'm doing it. If you want to learn the fundamentals, if you want to learn the right way, the skills to do this, you're going to want to take my 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I'm going to leave a link to that down below. Okay, it's only $7 at the moment, and you're gonna learn the skills of how to do that. Now, at the end of the 3-day challenge, you're gonna get my funnel and you're gonna get the ebook so you can actually copy and paste your links into it and use my brand and my authority for your own links or for your own business. But at the end of the day, guys, it's important for me to teach you the skills. I hate systems. I hate plug and play things. The way I built this out is I wanted to teach you the skills first with a 3-day challenge. I show you how it works, how you can build this for the long term, and then I give you the resources you need to at least get started, and then obviously you can do what you need to do later on, guys. I hope this video was of value on how to promote multiple affiliate links, but how to promote affiliate links the right way, because so many people do it the wrong way, and this is probably one of the best ways that has worked for me, guys. And I think it's going to help you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.